The Black Decker BEPW1300H-QS cold water pressure washer is an advanced and reliable solution for cleaning various objects and surfaces. Designed with practicality in mind, this pressure washer combines compact dimensions with high performance, making it ideal for domestic applications such as cleaning garden furniture, tools, bicycles, and much more. Its small size does not compromise its effectiveness in any way. Thanks to a well-thought-out structure, it combines power and ease of use in a single device. Equipped with innovative features, the BEPW1300H-QS stands out for its total stop system, TSS. This mechanism automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, optimizing energy consumption and enhancing user safety. Moreover, its intelligent design includes an integrated accessory compartment, allowing users to keep their tools organized and within easy reach. This feature not only improves efficiency but also enhances the overall user experience, making every cleaning task smoother and less strenuous. The BEPW1300H-QS is designed for maximum flexibility and ease of use. Its telescopic handle and pivoting flexible hose make cleaning hard-to-reach areas effortless, ensuring excellent results without stray.